BlastLogic 2021 delivers another important step forward in helping mines digitise drill and blast. The BlastLogic tablet has a new drilling data entry option. Any active blast can be opened to record drilling information on an existing hole, create an ad hoc hole, or a re-drill. Use the desktop interface to mark holes requiring drilling, and they'll be highlighted on the tablet home screen and in the drilling map view. The drill planning validation workflow has been improved to enable the tablet drilling data entry. As well as the existing shift selection, you can now select a number of holes to find all nearby drilling data. The association and validation workflow has been streamlined into 3 tabs, each displaying the number of actions required for each stage. Associate drill data to the corresponding design hole. Compare tablet drilling to data acquired from other sources, and see validation violations, and view a summary of the data for associated holes. You can easily customise the sources for each data field. There's a new ribbon style menu on the desktop, making it easy to find tools and keep them grouped by task. You can always switch back to the traditional menu bar if you prefer. And you can gain greater insight into drill measurements or measurement while drilling data, as they can now be visualised in the 3D view. Get in touch today for more information about our advanced drill and blast design and reconciliation solution.